So the difference between an adult and a child and an infant on defib is the pad goes in the centre of the child's chest. The second pad goes in the middle of their back. So the heart is in a direct line between the two pads. If the pads were on the front of the child, they'd be too close and you'd get voltage leakage between the two. You wouldn't get a circuit across the heart. Sometimes on a defib, it depends on which one it is. It's got a paediatric setting, it's got a child setting, sometimes they've got child and infant pads. But whatever you've got defib-wise is whatever you've got to use at that time. The same with the infant. You put the pad in the centre of a chest, the pad in the middle of a back. The machine will tell you whether they should shock or not, and just follow what the machine says its instructions.